Hello, we are back again with another tutorial on net Brim hat. We have a fascinator wire of 40 inches. You can add the edges together with a paper tape to form a circle. I decided to cover the wire with the color of the net I want to use, that's blue. You can also decide to cover with a bias fabric anyhow you want it so that the wire does not show. You then cover till end and cut off excess thread. Depending on how big or small you want the brim of the hat, that's the size, you can reduce it or add more inches to the fascinator wire.
began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the net.